Hi my dear friends, the next Mahzooz draw is our golden draw because the top prize of this draw is 20 million AD. So you should must try your luck for your better future because this is handsome money for you. This is the last draw of the month, trying on 29th October 2022. I will give you the one best number according to the past history and some lucky numbers that are not coming in recent previous draws. Friends, these are the past previous results of Mahzooz. You can see 5 and 6. The numbers came in order. After that, the 5 number was repeat in next draw. Then again 19 and 20 came in order. Same, the 19 number was repeat in next draw. Now again it is our previous result, 13 and 14 has come in order. Now if they follow this routine, then this number could be starting number in our upcoming draw. You can include this number in your selection. I write here 13. Good number. Now come to the second point. The numbers are not coming in almost 20 to 30 draws. Number 1 is 4. Is not coming in previous 28 draws. Then 25 not came in 26 draws. Then 26 not came in 23 draws. Then 32 is not coming in also 23 draws. 46 not came yet in previous 22 draws. And last friends, 29 is not coming also in 22 draws. These are some numbers I want to show you. Now it's up to you. You may select from these numbers or not. Final decision is yours. And in the last, don't forget to see my final video for Mahzooz draw prediction, because I made a lot of efforts for you for this prediction. So in the end, good luck to all and goodbye.